Today, I want to talk about a product that was sent to me to try out, see what I think, and see how it works for my skin. And I'm loving it. So, this is the Unsun Mineral Tinted Face Sunscreen Lotion. So, what's really cool about this is that I love a good tinted moisturizer or tinted sunscreen. Because I work in aircrafts all day, it's very important that I make sure I'm protecting myself from UVB and UVA rays, which are very harming and damaging to my skin. So this is a broad spectrum SPF 30 mineral tinted face sunscreen lotion. So I'm getting that protection and I'm getting that coverage. So if you watched my previous video, you know that I struggle with dark spots and dark marks. So this is perfect because I don't like to wear anything that is just completely full coverage, doesn't look like skin, doesn't look natural. This is a lotion for your face. It's a moisturizer. So and it happens to be tinted. The shade that was sent to me is the medium dark, and I think it was a perfect match. So, well, of course, I will say when I first applied it, I was nervous that it might be a little too light or look too ashy. But once I applied it evenly to my face area and also to my neck area, I found that it was a perfect match. I warm up the product in my fingertips. And then I would just apply it underneath my eye area. And then I would tap it into the areas that I know need coverage. My forehead, especially my cheek area, okay? And then I would bring it down to my neck. Now, show you here. And that's just a pea-size amount, okay? And look how moisturizing that is. Let's try this hand. Yeah. I did not use that much at all. So that is how I know that this is gonna last me. This is gonna last me a good minute. I applied the tinted lotion this morning. It is now around closer to 5 o'clock, closer to 6 o'clock, and I haven't had a reaction at all. Now, I don't necessarily have the most sensitive skin, but there are some things that I will react to. And this my skin doesn't feel itchy. It doesn't feel as if I'm wearing a whole lot of product on my face. Again, yes, I only use a pea-size amount. It looks great. Now, the packaging, first of all, the packaging is so fun. It's giving me springtime. It's giving me springtime going into summer. But the thing is, I would wear this all year round because guess what? The sun isn't going anywhere. It's going to be out in the wintertime, even if it's a cloudy day, which today was. I wanted to go outside and get a real natural view of how my face looked with this product on, and it was a cloudy day, it's still fine because even when there are clouds, even though I am melanated, I still need that protection. So even though it's a cloudy day, it was great to have this sunscreen on. Thank you, Unsun Cosmetics, for sending me this mineral tinted face sunscreen lotion. It feels amazing on my skin. I see a difference as far as complexion coverage, but it is not anything too much. But the most important thing is I feel protected.